Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest agricultural tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best agricultural tools of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: Meperez Premium Garden Clippers. Meperez Premium Garden Clippers offer a revolutionary solution for gardening enthusiasts, particularly those facing challenges like arthritis or weak hand strength. These clippers are designed to make gardening tasks 3 times easier, providing a user-friendly experience for individuals with limited dexterity. With a focus on ergonomic design and precision engineering, Meperez clippers ensure efficient and comfortable use, enabling users to maintain their gardens with ease. Whether trimming delicate flowers or pruning tough branches, these premium clippers deliver superior performance and reliability. Overall, Meperez Premium Garden Clippers represent a cutting-edge solution for anyone seeking to enjoy the pleasures of gardening without the physical limitations. Product 2. Product name: Fiskars 14-inch Hatchet Axe. The Fiskars 14-inch Hatchet Axe is a compact and versatile tool designed for camping, kindling, and splitting tasks. With its 14-inch size, it strikes a balance between portability and functionality, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of this hatchet axe is its proprietary blade and handle design, which is crafted to offer durability, precision, and ease of use. The blade is engineered to deliver efficient cutting and splitting performance, allowing users to tackle various materials with ease, from small branches to thicker logs. Additionally, the handle of the Fiskars hatchet axe is designed for comfort and control during use. Its ergonomic shape reduces hand fatigue and provides a secure grip, enhancing safety and accuracy while chopping or splitting wood. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply need a reliable tool for yard work, the Fiskars 14-inch hatchet axe offers a convenient solution for kindling and splitting tasks. Its combination of compact size, durable construction, and efficient performance makes it a valuable addition to any outdoor enthusiast gear collection. Product 3. Product name: Fiskars Ergo Weeder. The Fiskars Ergo Weeder is a heavy-duty gardening hand tool designed to make the task of weeding more efficient and comfortable. Its ergonomic design ensures that users can maintain a natural hand position while working, reducing strain and fatigue during extended use. The tool features a durable construction, combining sturdy materials with a sharp blade for effectively removing weeds from gardens, lawns, and yards. With its distinctive black and orange color scheme, the Fiskars Ergo Weeder is easily identifiable and stands out among other gardening tools. Its hang-hole design allows for convenient storage when not in use, keeping it within reach for whenever it's needed. Overall, the Fiskars Ergo Weeder offers a practical solution for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts looking to maintain their outdoor spaces with ease and efficiency. Its ergonomic design, durable construction, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any gardening toolkit. Product 4: WenC Mini Action Hoe. The WenC Mini Action Hoe for weeding is a specialized gardening tool designed to make the weeding process more efficient and effective. It features a 14-inch scuffle loop hoe that is perfect for cultivating soil and removing weeds. The unique stirrup hoe design allows for easy maneuverability, making it suitable for use in tight spaces and around delicate plants. Constructed with sharp and durable metal, this weeding tool ensures longevity and effectiveness in tackling various types of weeds. Additionally, it comes with a cushion grip handle, providing comfort and reducing strain on the user's hands during extended use. Overall, the WenC Mini Action Hoe for weeding is a reliable companion for gardeners looking to maintain weed-free and healthy gardens with ease. Its innovative design and durable construction make it a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit. Product 5. Product name: Fiskars Telescoping Rotary Cultivator. The Fiskars Telescoping Rotary Cultivator is a versatile gardening tool designed to assist with soil cultivation and grass reseeding tasks. With its extendable handle, ranging from 40 to 60 inches, this cultivator offers adjustable length to accommodate various user heights and reach different areas of the garden comfortably. Its rotary design enables efficient soil turning, aerating, and weeding, making it a valuable asset for gardeners aiming to maintain healthy soil and promote optimal plant growth. This hand tool's compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and transport around the garden. Its durable build ensures longevity, allowing users to rely on it for multiple gardening seasons without worry of deterioration. Whether preparing soil for planting, loosening compacted earth, or rejuvenating grassy areas, the Fiskars telescoping rotary cultivator provides an effective solution for Product 6. Product name Wallen 8-foot fruit picker. The Wallen 8-foot fruit picker is a versatile tool designed for efficiently harvesting fruits from trees. Its adjustable features, including a lightweight stainless steel pole and a spacious basket, make it ideal for picking a variety of fruits such as apples, mangoes, pears, oranges, and avocados. This picker is designed to reach heights of up to 8 feet, allowing users to access fruit at various elevations without the need for ladders or other climbing equipment. The stainless steel pole provides durability and stability while remaining lightweight, reducing strain on the user during extended use. The large basket ensures that a significant amount of fruit can be harvested before needing to be emptied, increasing efficiency and productivity during picking sessions. Overall, the Wallen 8-foot fruit picker offers a convenient and effective solution for fruit harvesting, suitable for both personal and commercial use. Its adjustable design and sturdy construction make it a valuable tool for orchard owners, farmers, and gardening enthusiasts alike. Product 7. Product name, Thunderbay Lawn Aerator. The Thunderbay upgraded 18-inch lawn aerator is a heavy-duty gardening tool designed to improve soil aeration, particularly for larger yards or gardens. This rotary aerator features an 18-inch width, making it suitable for covering sizable areas efficiently. Its heavy-duty spikes penetrate the soil effectively, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach grass roots more easily, which promotes healthier and lusher grass growth. One notable feature of this aerator is its mud guard, which helps prevent soil and debris from splattering onto the user during operation, ensuring a cleaner and more comfortable experience. The upgraded design likely includes enhancements to durability, efficiency, or user-friendliness compared to previous models.